Welcome everybody, welcome back to the show. Today in this video we're going to illustrate and demonstrate how to do a quick hand shear test in the Snowpack so you can actually feel the layers and test for avalanche. So stay tuned. So welcome to the Free Flow Ski channel. This channel is all about sharing my 24 years of teaching and experience in the Alps, giving you tips and techniques to make skiing easier and to make you safer in the mountains. Welcome back everybody, my name's Floss, Jocelyn Cockle. I'm a ski teacher, international ski teacher here in France in the Northern Alps for Free Flow Ski. And this is Martin, and we're out in the backcountry today assessing the snow layers in the Snowpack. And today we're going to illustrate with you a really good sample of a hand shear test that you can easily do while actually skinning up the slope. Okay, so we're climbing up a slope. We've had a bit of rain, but the conditions are improving. So a quick test is a hand shear test that you can easily do while skinning up. And you choose your angle here. Okay, so I'm just going to measure the slope angle. So what I do first is I make a wall here. Okay, so I want about 40 centimeters, and I'm just going to cut through length and depth. Okay, my hole here you can see, and then what I want to do is with my pole I pretty much go and isolate this column. And I isolate it
40 by 40?
here, if you can, about 40 by 40. And once I've isolated that column, then what I do is I bring my hand right at the back, and as you can see, just here, depth 4. And you've got pretty much so we've got a layer of depth 4 here, nice big chunk, 20 centimeters there. So that's something I'd be aware of. In my mind, I'll be thinking, right, on steep slopes, I've got that solid base layer there. That's really not very safe. Okay, so I'm just going to move round now on a slightly different aspect. It's pretty much slightly different aspect, but similar angle. And I'll do exactly the same. So I'll be digging the wall out. Pretty much to 40. And then I'm just trying to test the layers. I've got the layers in the snow. Oh wow, that one's going through quite a bit. And I'm going to test easy, moderate to hard. So if it pulls away with hardly any strength, it's easy. Moderate, I need to take a little bit more strength than hard. And I've just done 2, so I'm just going to pull back on this one, get my hand right back down and just see. Oh wow, really interesting. Look, not a lot there. Wow, totally different on this aspect. Okay, we've got a question in the group. Go Martin.
Once you know it's easy, moderate or hard, what does that tell you about the avi danger?
So the avi danger, if it's really easy and it's pulled away, that means there's quite instability in the Snowpack. So I'd be thinking of maybe changing direction, going on a different slope. If it's just hard like this one here now, where it's not actually coming away into a block, then I'll be keener to stay on this aspect and to go up on this aspect and to come down on this aspect. Does that answer your question?
Perfect.
So one of the few advantages of doing a hand shear test is that it's actually a really quick thing to do that you can do whilst going on the slope. It will only take 2 or 3 minutes to do, but the disadvantage is that it's not actually as accurate as actually digging a snow pit and testing all the layers. But it's something is definitely worth doing, better than nothing. So I think like a hand shear test is just another thing that you can do to test the layers. It doesn't mean yes or no to go down that slope. It's just another tool you can use just to get some more information. I just want to say thank you to everybody for supporting the channel and watching the videos. I hope everyone continues learning and enjoying. If you do like this video, please give us a big thumbs up and think about subscribing and joining us to share your passion for skiing, to make skiing easier and you safer in the mountains. Stay safe, enjoy the mountains, and I'll see you in the next one.